Good morning, preschoolers. It's Miss Brandis here, and today we're going to talk about what else can move a ball. We know that air can move a ball and water can move a ball. What else can move a ball? Oh, here we have some soccer players. She is kicking the ball. She's moving the ball with her foot. And he is using his body to block the ball or hit the ball. These are baseball players. He's using this bat to hit the ball. And look how he's standing with his legs really far apart, and he's got his arm up, and he's getting ready to throw the ball. Oh, here we have some basketball players. This guy's getting ready to dribble the ball. That's where you push down and the ball bounces up and you push it down again. This guy is taking a shot. He's throwing the ball into the hoop. And so is this guy. He jumped all the way off the ground as he threw the ball towards the hoop. This is a game called golf. And the ball sits in this is called a tee in the grass, and the ball sits on top, and then you take this golf club and you swing and you hit the ball towards a tiny, tiny hole way far away. So he's using this golf club to hit the ball. And these guys are juggling. They are using small balls that they can hold, and they're throwing them up in the air. And while one is in the air, they're holding others. Some are always in the air, and some are always being held. They are throwing and juggling the balls. So what else can move a ball? We're going to talk about this word, force. Starts with firefighter Fred. Force moves a ball. So we saw in the pictures that sometimes people used their foot or their hands. They were throwing the balls or kicking the balls. They used a bat to hit a ball. They used a golf club to hit a ball. There are different things that can move a ball. Ball does not move by itself. It only moves because we move it. We move it with air, we can move it with water, or we can move it with force. So I want you to get a ball today and see how can you move your ball.